Hey kids, ocean explorers. Welcome back to our channel Little Learner. Today, we're diving deep into the blue to discover so many amazing ocean facts that will blow your mind. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Before starting, please hit the subscribe button for more fun learning. The ocean's giant size. Oceans cover 71% of Earth's surface. That's more than all the land combined. Imagine a water world. How deep is the ocean? The deepest part of the ocean is so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest into it, the peak would still be underwater. Amazing ocean animals. There are over 230,000 known sea creatures, and there might be even more waiting to be discovered, like ocean superheroes. Ocean's air factory. Tiny plants called phytoplankton in the ocean produce a huge amount of the oxygen we breathe. They're like little green air machines. The ocean's cool blue color. The ocean looks blue because it reflects the sky and absorbs other colors. It's like it's wearing a blue outfit. The moon's gravity magic. The moon's gravity makes the ocean's water rise and fall in a dance called tides. It's like the moon is giving the ocean a gentle pull. Reefs, underwater rainforests. Coral reefs are colorful and full of life, just like rainforests. They provide homes for many sea creatures. Sea level, ocean's rising challenge. Melting ice from the poles is causing sea levels to rise, which can lead to flooding. It's like the ocean is slowly creeping up. Underwater volcanoes, ocean's hot spots. There are volcanoes under the ocean that can erupt and create new land. They're like hidden lava fountains. Five oceans. Did you know there are 5 main oceans? They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Amazing ocean animals. There are over 230,000 known sea creatures, and there might be even more waiting to be discovered, like ocean superheroes. Glow-in-the-dark fish. Some deep-sea fish can make their own light, which helps them see in the dark. It's like they have built-in flashlights. Exploring the ocean, big adventure awaiting. We've only explored a small part of the ocean. It's like a giant mystery waiting for us to discover its secrets. Ocean trash, cleaning up our seas. Trash in the ocean can hurt sea animals. People are working hard to clean it up and keep the ocean clean and healthy. Ocean's heat sponge. The ocean absorbs a lot of the Earth's extra heat from the sun, helping to keep our planet from getting too hot. Mapping the seafloor, ocean's puzzle. Scientists use special tools to map the ocean floor, but many parts are still like a big puzzle we need to solve. Salty seawater, nature's recipe. Ocean water is salty because it has dissolved minerals. That's why it tastes salty and not so great for drinking. Giant squid, sea's giant. The giant squid is one of the largest sea creatures, and it can be as long as a school bus. They live deep underwater and are rarely seen. Ocean acid, changing the seas. The ocean is becoming more acidic because of extra carbon dioxide in the air. This can make it harder for sea creatures with shells to survive. Thanks for joining us on this ocean adventure. If you loved these facts, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing videos. See you next time, little explorers.